Hey guys, so today is Friday the 22nd, and it's currently 4:14. So this morning I was editing the video I made yesterday, the first one that I'm gonna put out, and that took a very long time because I used a new video editor on Evan's PC, just because it's a lot easier doing things on a computer than it is on my phone or my laptop. So that took a really long time. Addie would not go down for a nap until like 2 something, so that was kind of rough as well. So I was just basically going back and forth from taking care of her and trying to edit the video and all that stuff, but I just wanted to be able to pop in and say hi. I know that tonight I will be trying to do my nails again. I just got this new poly gel kit that I'm gonna try. Right now I have builder gel and normal polish on my nails, but yeah, so I'm gonna try to do the poly gel and see how that works. But I think in the meantime, Evan is at the gym. He gets off work early on Fridays because they call it like Aloha Fridays or something like that. I have no idea, but they're supposed to get off work at 3 o'clock instead of 5, and so he's at the gym with one of his friends right now, and I think I did the dishes yesterday, so I think I'm just gonna put up the dishes, and we're doing a kind of like fend for yourself night for dinner. We have a lot of leftovers that we need to eat, so we'll probably do that. And since we're doing that, I'm able to clean my stove. My stove looks freaking hideous. Oh my goodness, there's like water burns on it, and there's a lot of grease, and I'm just annoyed with it being so dirty. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put up the dishes and try to clean the stove. Okay, so I'm going to let that dry up so that I can wash it off, because once it's dry it lifts all the stuff that's like sitting on the stove. Usually the other one that was like the yellow top, I would have to leave for like 24 hours for it to dry up all the way. This one, I don't know. It says, let's see. This is like maybe a few hours, so we'll see how that works, but I've only used this one once. So let's see what else. I don't think I have anything else planned for today. Today is just a simple do nothing type of day. So we'll figure out what we're gonna do with my nails next. It's Saturday and we just got ready to go to the beach. We're also gonna get me a new phone, so that's what we're doing. Baby girl is in the back. We don't have a mirror for this car. This is our friend's car that we had to ship for him, but yeah, so we're on our way there. Evan hates being on the camera. He doesn't like talking, so I'm not gonna show him too much unless it's like a random clip, but yeah.
Okay, can I get the classic then?
Combo, yeah?
Yeah.
What did you want for your drink?
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Okay.
And that's it.
Okay, so you have a 3-piece chicken with french fries with a Pepsi. And then you have a chicken sandwich with french fries and then Mountain Dew.
Yep, that's it.
23.40.
Jolly beans!
Spicy chicken sandwich.
Yeah, no spicy chicken sandwich, sadly. Sorry. I guess I'll go ahead and talk now. I wasn't gonna talk before because baby girl was falling asleep and she was being a little cranky, so if I started talking then she wouldn't have fallen asleep. But we are at Jollibee's and we are eating in the parking lot just because it's easier to eat and then drive home. But I wanted a 3-piece chicken tenders and they gave me a 3-piece chicken, so there's like a drumstick and a thigh and stuff. But Evan went inside to go order me what I wanted, and then we're just gonna eat in the car and I guess go home Evan's going to see a movie tonight with one of our friends, so I'm gonna be home with the baby. Hopefully after her bath in a bottle, she'll be asleep for most of the night. She's been waking up almost every 5 hours, which is usually when she eats, and not sleeping through the night anymore. She used to sleep through the night, but now she's not, and I think it's just because she's going through like a growth spurt, and it's like her 4-month regression and all that stuff. So we'll see how all of that goes. I'm recording this in my bathroom just because we have the lights off in the bedroom to try to get Addie to sleep, but she's just talking away right now. She just finished a bottle. I just finished washing her bottles. We got home and gave her a quick bath, and then we took a shower. Evan got ready to go to the movies. He's going with two of his, oh, I got the hiccups, I'm sorry. He's going with two of his friends to see the movie Nope. I have no idea what it's about, but they're going to see that. I just gave Addie a bottle. I don't know if I said that or not, but so now she's just chilling in her love to drink swaddle, which is probably one of her favorite swaddles to be in besides like actual swaddles. She still loves her normal swaddles, but I'm trying to get her to not be in them just because I know it's about that time to transition her out of actual swaddles, even though they help her sleep so well. But yeah, so that's gonna be the rest of our night, I believe, but I'll probably, I don't know. On the way home, I was really tired, but I think that was because we were in the sun. You know how the sun is. It just makes you tired, but, oh, hiccup. But yeah, I'll see what else I'll do for the night. Probably mess around with that video editor app that I have on my, not mine, but Evan's PC to see like what other features I can work with it. But yeah, so that concludes our Saturday, I guess.
did.